I'm about to have a really exciting weekend, but I want you guys to send me good vibes because your girl is about to try something new, do something new, and I'm just really excited to be able to do this. But I need all the good vibes, please. Very excited, very nervous, and just looking forward to it.
आज मेरी बीवी का डेब्यू है, आज मेरी बीवी का डेब्यू है, आज मेरी बीवी का डेब्यू है.
It is the 12th of December. It's about 6:45 a.m. and I am so nervous, so excited, but also so nervous. We're gonna be leaving in the next 15-20 minutes as soon as Jerry's out of the shower. This is the first time in my life that I'm gonna act. And even though it's just a supporting role, it's not a lead role, I said yes to it because I thought this would be a new exciting experience, and it literally is already exciting to me. Production works in 12-hour shifts, so I have a 7:45 call time, which means our shift starts at 9 a.m. 7:45 is just for makeup and hair, so I'm probably going to be on set till around 9 p.m. because it's 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. And I'm shooting tomorrow as well, so it's a 2-day gig. It's a whole new experience, and I'm so excited to know and see how this works. I received my script, the full script, a few days ago, and I've gone through it. I've tried to run through my lines just to try and be prepared. You guys know मुझे advance में prepare करने का बड़ा शौक है life में, so it's pretty much just that. And I don't even know what to expect. I'm expecting a great experience. I'm looking forward to working with the entire Mutant team, Netflix team, Danish Aslam, whose wife you guys know is Shruti Seth, who we actually had on my channel during the lockdown last year. You guys are watching this vlog in 2021, I think. We're still in 2020. Filming this, we don't have a release date yet, so I don't know exactly when you'll be seeing this, but I'm documenting this whole thing because it's a special thing for me to try something like this. I wasn't exactly sure if I would ever say yes to an acting gig, but I guess this one just kind of caught my fancy, and I'm really looking forward to it.
So today is a big day. Today someone makes a debut on the small screen. My original is acting in a Netflix original.
Maybe they can't see you smiling with the mask on.
That's okay, they can see by my cheeks. And today we will talk to the star. So star,
it's a supporting role, no star. It's not a lead character.
That's okay. Go on, say something.
क्या कहूँ?
Star like.
Star, but no star. Supporting character.
Fine. What is going to be a screen name?
Vandita. I'm playing Vandita. Currently in present time, our short film is called Gaydar, which is part of Love Daily, a Netflix original anthology. And Vandita is basically this super boss kind of a woman who knows her work and orders people around. Yeah, going to basically channel what I do at work on screen, if I may say so myself.
And you're running an ad agency.
And I run an ad agency, that's correct. Which I'm channeling my inner Gerard Jayaranjan, I should say, na?
No, you're not.
That's more apt.
No. So what's going to be a name now? You know how actors and all change their names.
Oh God, I'm not suddenly just becoming an actor. This is an experiment. I want to see how it goes. And then if I'm actually any decent good, we'll see from there. But let's see.
So you're not going to call yourself Anam Priestley, Anam Malini, Anam... tell me other actors' names.
Anam Kapoor?
Anam Dikshit, Anam Kapoor.
No. Listen, you're making this a very big deal in your head.
I won't say Anam Ali Khan because you'll get happy.
Listen, you're just making it very big in your head. Just relax. Let's watch the final show. Let's see how much those 2 scenes that I'm actually in.
What's underneath your eye? Is it your war paint for today?
My under eyes ke liye I just put this. I haven't been sleeping well this whole week. Actually since last week my sleep cycle is extremely messed up. So I'm just kind of pre-makeup trying to prep my under eyes a little bit.
Okay. So where are you shooting today?
We're shooting in BKC at WeWork.
What time is it currently?
Now it's around 7:30 and we're on our way to our 7:45 AM call time.
Interesting. Very interesting.
Okay, bye.
Say bye to the star. Bye, star.
Okay, I'm in my vanity. My outfit is here. I'm wearing a sari and I'm very excited because the outfit looks really nice. However, before actually getting into the whole outfit, I'm just going to put that blouse on and get my makeup and hair done and go through the script another time, which I think I want to do from start to end. Prepping. So let's get into it. Okay, so Vandita is in her look. My mic is here. I need to go get mic'd. That's the only thing pending. Like I need to just kind of get the strap to put it on. But this is my look for Gaydar. While they're setting up a new frame to go through my script for the next scene. So fun behind the scenes. My mic is slipping. My mic is all the way down. Come, sit in my conference room.
Sit in your conference.
Please sit. Okay, so we just got done with lunch and I should get all the names right. Vidyut, Namrata, Muskan and Vandita are all on their way back. Listen, Tarasha is missing. We have to really...
We still have
to include her. Yeah, I didn't know she was here. We should. And we're on our way back up. We're going to quickly get some makeup touch-ups before we go ahead and resume filming. I think we have like 1 or 2 more scenes for the day. Okay, so I have Suchika here who is doing my makeup touch-up and her team did my makeup earlier today. So their flawless glam today is courtesy her.
Thank you.
I'm going to link her Instagram in the info box for you guys.
Thanks.
Garam chai while we're setting up. Hi fam, it is day 2 of my shoot with Netflix and I got done at around 9ish last evening, so I was too tired to vlog. However, I'm back in the vanity. As you can see around me, this is the outfit I came in. Hi Chi! I'm about to get my makeup and hair done. I'm already wearing a Vandita's blouse and wearing a robe because it gets really cold in vanities. So I'm gonna get my makeup and hair done and then change into the sari. Just the blouse, basically the crop top, is on for now. And once we get glam, I literally just have a couple of filler scenes to do today. Like just a couple of, I finished all my dialogues, just a couple of here and there things that I know I need to finish for the visuals. Yeah, I'm looking forward to today.